Welcome back. Today, we're ditching the ordinary and diving into the world's wildest, weirdest festivals. From baby jumping in Spain to cheese chasing in the UK, these celebrations are as bizarre as they are unforgettable. We'll travel from food fights to monkey feasts and everything in between. Buckle up, let's get strange. First stop, Buñol, Spain, for La Tomatina, the world's biggest tomato fight. Thousands gather, trucks dump tons of overripe tomatoes, and for 1 hour, chaos reigns as everyone pelts each other. The only rule? Squash your tomato before throwing. Afterward, fire trucks hose down the streets, and the acidity actually leaves them cleaner than before. It's pure messy fun. Next, India's World Toilet Day Parade, a quirky celebration with a serious message. Floats shaped like toilets, costumes, and dancers fill the streets to raise awareness for sanitation and hygiene. It's a colorful, humorous way to tackle a global issue. The parade brings communities together, making an important topic approachable. Proof that even toilets can inspire a festival. In Thailand, the Frog Festival is all about rain and prosperity. Locals catch frogs, honor them in a ceremony, then release them to please the mythical Toad King for a good harvest. Parades feature giant frog floats and costumes. It's a blend of folklore, community, and amphibian fun. Lopburi, Thailand, hosts a buffet for monkeys, literally. Tables overflow with fruit and treats as thousands of macaques feast, climb, and cause adorable chaos. It's a thank you to the monkeys for attracting tourists. The only buffet where food fights are encouraged. In Japan, the Nozawa Onsen Fire Festival is a fiery spectacle. Men of unlucky ages defend a giant wooden shrine as villagers attack with flaming torches. The battle rages until the shrine is set ablaze, purifying participants and praying for good fortune. It's intense, dangerous, and unforgettable. Tradition, fire, and sake fuel the night. At American fairs, pig racing steals the show. Pigs with punny names dash around tracks, chasing Oreos while crowds cheer. Sometimes they wear racing vests. Adorable. It's simple, hilarious, and pure family fun. The UK's Sheep Grand National takes animal racing to a woolly new level. Sheep, complete with tiny jockey dolls, race and leap over hurdles as crowds cheer and bet. It's charming, ridiculous, and a highlight of British country fairs. Expect more barring than speed records. Spain's El Colacho is as wild as it sounds. Men dressed as devils leap over rows of babies. The tradition, dating back centuries, is believed to cleanse babies of sin and protect them. The whole town gathers to watch this nerve-wracking ritual. Despite appearances, no baby has ever been hurt. It's a leap of faith. Literally, faith, fear, and folklore collide. In Finland, the Air Guitar World Championships let wannabe rock stars shine. No instrument required. Contestants perform wild solos, judged on airness and stage presence. The motto, make air not war. It's hilarious, creative, and all about world peace through pretend rock. At Cooper's Hill in the UK, a wheel of cheese is rolled down a steep hill, and dozens chase after it. Most tumble and crash, but the first to the bottom wins the cheese. Paramedics are always on standby. It's chaotic, dangerous, and centuries old, all for the glory of cheese. Cambodia's Rooster Festival honors the rooster as a symbol of strength and luck. Decorated birds are paraded through villages, admired by all. The event features music, dance, and community pride. It's a peaceful, colorful celebration of rural life. In Bra, Italy, cheese lovers unite for the biennial cheese festival. Hundreds of cheesemakers offer samples, workshops, and pairings with wine and honey. The air is thick with the aroma of cheese. It's a pilgrimage for dairy devotees. More than a festival, it's cheese heaven. Finland's wife-carrying world championships are exactly what they sound like. Men race through obstacle courses carrying women, often upside down. The prize? The wife's weight in beer. It's goofy, tough, and pure Finnish fun. Venice's carnival is a masterpiece of masks and mystery. For 2 weeks, the city fills with elaborate costumes and hauntingly beautiful masks. Balls, parades, and performances transform Venice into a living work of art. The tradition lets everyone celebrate together, hidden behind a mask. It's elegance, history, and magic combined. In Gujarat, India, the Salt Festival honors the Agaria salt farmers. Rituals, music, and dance celebrate their resilience and heritage. It's a deeply personal event, not a tourist spectacle, a moving tribute to community and tradition. Switzerland's Des Alpes is a parade of flower-adorned cows returning from alpine pastures. Farmers decorate their best cows with bells and headdresses. Villages celebrate with music and cheers. It's a charming, colorful slice of Swiss life. Mongolia's Winter Meat Festival is a carnivore's dream. Traditional butchering, cooking, and feasting showcase nomadic heritage. Dishes like korkog are prepared with ancient techniques. Competitions and communal meals mark the start of winter. It's a celebration of survival and skill. Songkran and its cousins across Southeast Asia turn cities into water fight battlegrounds. Buckets, water guns, and laughter fill the streets for days. The splashing symbolizes washing away bad luck for the new year. It's pure, joyful chaos. Holi, India's festival of colors, is a riot of joy and unity. People throw colored powders, dance, and celebrate together. No barriers, just fun. It's about forgiveness, friendship, and new beginnings. You'll leave covered in color and happiness. Spain's Honey Festival in Ayora is a sweet tribute to bees. Beekeepers demonstrate honey extraction, and visitors sample dozens of varieties. Parades, workshops, and markets fill the town. It's fun, educational, and delicious. That's a whirlwind tour of the world's strangest, most wonderful festivals. From tomato fights to air guitar, these celebrations prove there's no limit to human creativity. Which festival would you try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more wild adventures. See you at the next party.